Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find on FibonacciStalking.com. Good morning, good evening. Today is the Saturday, November the 3rd, 2012, and it's 6 p.m. Italian time. Italian time is time zone is GMT +1. This is part of the weekly review I'm only sharing with my newsletter subscribers. What you see on the screen is the Euro USD Forex pair. This is the weekly chart. I want to use this weekly chart to see where we are on the bigger time frame with this pair. You will remember from my review of last week's review that we have this 121.50 area which has supported price already last year, in 2010, November 2010, and is doing the same since July this year. And this is a long setup, and when price comes back to this level, we usually have support, and this support can push price to the upper bound of this sideways move here. So we expect a move into the at least into 143. That is the top of this descending trend line, but price could go much higher to 51. And actually, this is a long setup having a target which you don't see on the screen, which is above price here in the 178 area. Although of course we are not looking at that, we are not going so far at the moment, but anyway, that's something we have to keep in mind. So in the last few months, what happened? We had a sequence of measures move lower, and there was the second last one starting in the 134 area, and it got to target in the 122.30 area, and that's very close to this support level I showed you before. The next measure move failed, and that's telling us, and we can see this from this failure of the 129.40 area on the upside, and that's telling us that the long-term direction of the euro changed, and we are now looking to go long the euro in the 126.10, 126 area. So price is probably going to move into that area very quickly, and then we should see a rebound. Let's move to the daily chart, and what you see now on the screen is the Euro FX continuous contract, the futures contract aligned to the December expiration. And in the last few days we had confirmation of this move lower. The resistance level I had identified during the week was 130.20, and this level hit the first target right on Friday, at the end of Friday, and that was the 128.20 area of support. Now we have to see whether we will get a rebound here or price will keep going lower. If you watch my FibStalker view on currencies, in which I analyze the dollar index as well, you will probably understand I anticipate a continued move lower, because the dollar index that trades opposite direction will keep moving higher, at least for the next few days. So I expect this price to keep moving lower. Now I have here a smaller level, that's the 128.51. So if we don't go above 128.55, 128.60, we could see a small bounce on Monday, and then a continued move lower. And I would probably expect price to get into the 127.40 area, and then probably we would see a rebound. If we see a rebound, and after the rebound we witness continued continued weakness in the euro, then we would have a rebound in the 128 area and a final move down into the 126.20, 126.30, and from that area we could see a move, the beginning of a move higher. I'll be more precise in my trading plan for the euro going forward. It's part of the newsletter. I hope this review is useful and it's interesting. I usually share these videos only with my newsletter subscriber. If you want to subscribe my newsletter, just go to my blog fibonaccistalking.com and look for the related image to subscribe, and you'll receive these views and also midweek setups on the euro that only my subscribers get, and that could be very useful also for profitable trades on the euro dollar. I wish you a very good evening and a great weekend, and I look forward to see you next week on my blog. Bye bye.